Welcome to Gear Grinders, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're shifting gears and taking a deep dive into the 2025 Kawasaki KX 450, a motocross machine that's been engineered for dominance on the dirt. Known for its championship pedigree and relentless performance, the KX 450 returns with major updates that make it one of the most exciting releases of the year. Let's break down what's new and why the 2025 KX 450 should be on every rider's radar. Design and ergonomics. Right off the line, the 2025 KX 450 shows off Kawasaki's commitment to rider-focused design. With a completely revised frame and updated bodywork, the bike is leaner, more aggressive, and built for improved rider movement. The slimmer radiator shrouds and flatter seat profile make it easier for riders to shift their weight and maintain control during tight turns or mid-air transitions. The new green-on-green color scheme and sharp graphics add to its unmistakable factory race look. Performance and engine upgrades. Underneath the new body lies a powerhouse. The 2025 KX 450 features a reworked 449 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine with a new downdraft intake and redesigned cylinder head. These changes result in a noticeable boost in mid-range power and throttle response. Kawasaki has also introduced a new hydraulic clutch and upgraded the transmission for smoother gear shifts and better durability in high-pressure racing situations. With these enhancements, the KX 450 doesn't just perform, it dominates. Electronics and ride control. For the first time ever, the KX 450 comes with Kawasaki's new Redesigned system, a Bluetooth-enabled interface that lets you fine-tune engine mapping and monitor performance via a smartphone app. The bike also includes traction control and launch control modes, allowing riders to adapt to different terrains and get the perfect start off the gate. This blend of mechanical excellence and smart tech gives racers an edge like never before. Chassis and suspension. Kawasaki has also fine-tuned the chassis for better handling and feedback. A lighter aluminum frame combined with updated Showa suspension components ensures exceptional balance and stability on rough tracks. Whether you're railing berms or soaking up big jumps, the 2025 KX 450 remains planted and responsive, giving riders the confidence to push harder every lap. Conclusion. The 2025 Kawasaki KX 450 is a bold step forward in the evolution of motocross performance. With major updates across the board, engine, electronics, and ergonomics, this bike is built to win. Whether you're chasing a championship or just hitting the local track, the KX 450 delivers the power, control, and tech to elevate your ride. For more reviews and updates on the newest machines, stay locked in with Gear Grinders.